can expect probably the best service they're going to get in the county. We go out of our way to take care of our customers. Our business has grown from just 10 mowers to now we have a warehouse full of mowers and a yard full of mowers. My name's Jack Selph with Inverness Equipment and Repair. We're located on 41 North in Inverness. As a customer buys a piece of equipment, we set it up, service it, and make sure that the equipment's working properly when they get it, so when they get home, they have no problems. Well, my beautiful wife here, she really helps me a lot. And Michelle helps out run the counters. She's in the family too, so we're a family-oriented business, so we're all pretty much family.
I do a lot of the customer service. I do all the scheduling, pick up deliveries, we look up parts. I do all the warranties and so forth, any customer concerns. I handle all that, answer the phones.
We have a lot of parts. We sell a lot of parts. We have a lot of blades, a lot of belts. Just in our inventory, just like our equipment, just keeps growing every year and every year. And pretty soon, I don't know.
I greet the customer when they come through the door, get them started on what they might need, whether it be parts or we have to look up a part with engine numbers. We are very high on the high end of customer service to help the customer any way we possibly can.
And there's nobody like Jack in Inverness Equipment. They're just one of a kind. He goes over and beyond for his customers.
We try not to oversell. If they only have a quarter acre, you have to buy the right machine for your property. If you only have a quarter acre, you don't need a 54-inch mower. You only need a little 36-inch. We'll do the job. We try not to oversell and push stuff on people that that's not what they need. We're family oriented. We're animal oriented. If you've got your dog in the car, it's not a problem. Bring him in. We've got doggy treats and so forth. Animals are part of the family as well.
Yes, we also offer pickup and delivery for all of our customers. We go all the way to Sugar Mill Woods and Homosassa, the other side of Denellen, wherever we need to go. The customer wants it picked up, we pick it up and bring it back to you. Get all your repairs done and get you going for the season.
I service all the units, maintenance on them, sharpen blades, change belts, whatever it takes to fix a mower. I like to fix things, that's my niche in life, is fixing stuff. If it breaks, I'll figure it out one way or another, I'll fix it. That's really what I enjoy.
BigDog's been really great. I love the way they did the wiring harness on them. Everything is tucked in nice and neat, very easy to work on, very clean mower.
I just call them up, they let me know exactly what part number and everything that I'm supposed to use.
Anytime we need anything, they're right there for us.